Hello everyone. Welcome to my programming channel. In this program, you'll learn to store and add two integer numbers in Java. In this program, an object of scanner class, reader is created to take inputs from standard input, which is keyboard. Then, enter a number prompt is printed to give the user a visual cue as to what they should do next. Reader.nextInt then reads all entered integers from the keyboard unless it encounters a new line character \n, enter. The entered integers are then saved to the integer variable number 1 and number 2. Then, number 1 and number 2 are added using the plus operator, and its result is stored in another variable sum. Finally, sum is printed on the screen using println function.